Discord is giving away free Nitro and I will tell you everything about this. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. I am not sure if this is true since I haven't tried it myself, but today we got something awesome for all you Discord users out there. Now before you get too excited, there are a few things you need to know. This offer is good for pretty much everyone, even if you've had Nitro before. Basically, if you have any other Discord subscriptions like Nitro Basic or Server Boosting, those will be cancelled when you claim the free Nitro. You won't get any refunds for the leftover time on those either. Also, this offer ends on July 1st, so you gotta act fast. And lastly, it's only available in certain regions. But hey, if you're good with all that, then free Nitro is free Nitro. I'll leave a link down below in the description that will take you to the redemption page. So don't miss out on this awesome offer. Let me know in the comments if you snagged that free Nitro, and as always, thanks for watching.